Viral at pinag-uusapan nga ngayon sa social media ang pag-unfollow ni Philmar at ni Andy Eigenman sa isa't isa. Hindi lang yan, tila humingi pa ng advice itong si Andy Eigenman sa ChatGPT. Doon ibinahagi niya ang kanyang naging kwento sa ChatGPT. Aniya, but me and my life partner were in a fight when this happened, and she immediately comes to his rescue and invites him to do this. That adds another layer to the situation. If you and your partner were fighting, it's possible your friend was trying to support your partner during a tough time. However, it can still feel hurtful and disrespectful, especially if it seems like they're undermining your relationships. It might be helpful to talk to your partner about how this made you feel and see if they can provide context for their friend actions. Open dialogue can help clarify intentions and strengthen your relationship. Muli ay nagtanong at nagkwento itong si Andy sa ChatGPT. And also, I sent her a message and she literally just did not care to respond at all. Sagot ng ChatGPT that lack of response can feel really frustrating and hurtful, especially in a sensitive situation like this. It might indicate that your friend isn't fully aware of the impact of their actions, or they might be avoiding the conversation altogether. It could be helpful to have a direct conversation with her, expressing how her actions and silence affected you. This might lead to a better understanding of the dynamics at play and help you decide how to move forward with both your friend and your partner. Samantala wala ng paligoy-ligoy pa sa salitang Bisaya, narito ang naging pahayag ni Philmar. Kung ano may galing ijo, mga nabasahan kuman tinuod yaon. Wayanay taguay kay mas malisod. Kilaya man kamo kung ano ako na pagkatawo. Siguro kilaya sab kamo kung ano siya. Dili na to taason ang tanan. Say ni Philmar, you all can call me a cheater and ugly now. Pero salamat sa mga tawo na no-message sa naan kakilaya sa ako. Anyway, Philmar Alipayo confirms breakup with her longtime partner Andy Eigenman. Ito na nga ba ang talagang hiwalayan? Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.